Hey all, let's see about stack ADT. There are two operations mainly, DQ and EnQueue. Let's see about EnQueue first. In this EnQueue, there are condition statement that if rear equals size minus 1, that means queue is full. Else, if front equal minus 1, then front equals 0. Then the real will be incremented so that the queue of rear will be valued, that is the value which we give 5. Then it will be printed insertion success. Now let's see about DQ. In DQ function, there is a contention statement that if front equal rear, that means queue is empty, we can't delete anything. Else print deleted and that number. Then friend plus plus, that means friend will be incremented. And the next condition is if friend equal rear, that means if friend and rear are in same position, then we must set as friend equal rear equal minus 1. That means there is only one element in the queue. And finally, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video so that it will be recommended to others, which helps me. And subscribing to a channel is totally free of cost. Thank you.